So we are going to show you cuts of vegetables today. We are going to show you 4 cuts of vegetables: small dice, big dice, slices, and julienne from these 3 kind of vegetable. As you can see, we are using green chopping board and green knives, and these vegetables are peeled and washed and sanitized and washed once again. We will be starting with the potatoes. We'll trim the potato edges so we can get a perfect shape from it. And these trimmings are used for soup or stocks. Now I am going to show you how to julienne the potatoes. We can use it for French fries. So here we are getting the julienne cuts of potatoes. So here is the julienne cuts of the potatoes, which are equal in size. Now from this julienne potatoes we can get smaller dice of potatoes, which we can use for any kind of chowder, soup, or salads. As you can see, these are the small dices. Now I am going to show you how to slice potatoes for fries or gratinated vegetables or gratinated potatoes. So these are the slices, medium thin slices of potatoes. For chips we can use mandolin for fine slices of potatoes, which is good enough for chips, but these we can use for gratinated vegetables. Now I am going to show you how to dice potatoes, big dice. This can be used for casseroles. Cutting should be very much equal in shape, so when we serve it to the guest it should be looking same. Here you can see the big dices of potatoes, which are all same in shape. So we are done with the 4 kinds of cuts of potatoes. So here we have julienne slices, big and small dices. Now we will start with the marrow. First I am going to trim the edges to get perfect shape. Now I am going to show you how to julienne the marrow. So here we start. So here are the julienne cuts of marrow, same in size. Same we are keeping the trimmings for soup or stocks, and we are going to small dice the marrow from the julienne cut. We can use it for soups. Now we are slicing the marrow. This can be again used for gratinated veggies. So here are the slices of marrow. Now we are going to dice the marrow, big dice. I'm going to trim the edges. As you can see, I'm trimming the edges to get the perfect shape from it. So here we are done with the marrows, julienne, small dice, big dice, and slices. Now we'll start with the carrot. It's a little bit hard vegetable, so we are trimming out the edges. We'll make the julienne. We can use it for salads or chips, finger chips even. So here are the julienne cuts of carrot. Same from the julienne cut, we can get the small dices which we can use for any kind of soups or salads. Now we'll start with the big dices slices. So here are the slices of carrot which we can get, round slices. I'm going to use a bigger carrot for getting the perfect shape of dices. I'll trim the sides to get perfect shape of dices. So here are the bigger dices which we can use for casseroles. You can see these are the big dices. So we are done with the 4 kinds of cuts of carrots, also with 3 kind of vegetables. So as you can see, slices, small dices, big dices, julienne of carrot, slices of potato, julienne of potato, small dices of potato, big dices of potato. Thank you so